Hi everyone, this is Ashok Kumar. Okay, today's topic is about Hamiltonian cycles. Okay, as we know, cycle means in a graph. Take an example graph. Okay, cycle means when we started traveling from one point and all over we travel through intermediate vertices. So these called as vertices. Okay, these are connecting edges. So these vertices are the points where we connect with edge. Okay, and this is called a graph. So take the graph, and when we start from one point and we travel through connecting edges and we reach to the starting point. So this is called a cycle. So this is called a cycle. And when we started travel from one point and reaching intermediate vertices and reach the same starting vertex, this is called as a cycle. So to make a cycle or form a cycle, we know the must and should one path. So there exists a path, okay, that is vertex A to B and vertex B to C, and from B to C to D. So this is one path. So we traveled and we can obtain the another path. As we see, this is a undirected graph. So we can update another path, and that will be A to D. As A is started from okay, so we are started from this point. So this is starting point, and next point will be D, C and B. So this is another path. Okay, name it as path 2 and this one will be path 1. So we obtain the path, and when we reach to same starting point, so then this is called a cycle. So this is called cycle. So from the starting point to same point, and we are intermediately touching all the vertices, remaining vertices in the graph, called it as a cycle. So this is forming cycle or closed loop. So we can say in circle there exists a path. Okay, the path can lead into form a circle. So this is the path, and this one will be okay circle. So these two are the circles for the given graph. So here these circles are called Hamiltonian circles. Hamiltonian cycle or circles. Okay, as the name Hamiltonian come from the scientist Hamiltonian. He suggested the cycles, so the name become Hamiltonian cycles, and the path presented in the cycle is called Hamiltonian path. So and we can represent the solution for the given graph in a state space tree where we travel from one point to another point. So with intermediate vertices, this will lead to from source to destination or starting point to end point. This will be formed by, so we traveled around starting from 1 to 2 by intermediate nodes. So we represented state space tree the solution we obtained. So state space tree is used to represent the solution for the given problem. So each and every state represents the solution for the problem where we travel. Okay, let us see an example so we can obtain the solution for given graph G. So this will form the and vertices are V and edges are represented with A. So there exists a path K that represent and this is the path and where we have the initial starting point and we travel with along intermediate vertices and reach the same starting point is called as a cycle. So this is a Hamiltonian cycle. So let us take an example graph so we can explain easily. So and connecting edges. So these are the connecting edges and it is a undirected graph so we can travel any position. So let us take the starting vertices as A and if we take it initially we started at A. Okay, we can travel A to B or A to F and so also we can travel A to D. So we have three possible paths and these paths which can lead the to form Hamiltonian cycle. So those are going to be taken as a possible Hamiltonian cycle. So let us start by representing in state space tree. Before going to take present in state space tree, so let us write down the possible cycle. So take down starting with text and next we can travel A to B. So from B we can travel F and F to E and E to D and D to A. This is one cycle. So another possible path is A to F, F to B, B to E, E to D, D to A. And as we taken A to F, so we can travel like A to F, F to E. If we travel F to E, so these two are possible. So next E to from E, if we travel to B, so A to F, F to E, E to B. So from B to we can travel A. So it is forming also a cycle, but it is not a Hamiltonian cycle. So as to form Hamiltonian cycle, so it should be all the vertices remaining vertices. So except the starting or initial vertex, remaining vertices should be at least visited one time. So initial vertex or starting vertex can be visited more than one time. So this is not a valid path or cycle. So take the another possibility from A to D, D to E, E to F, F to B, and from B to A. So this is another possible path. So it is considering, okay, consisting of, okay, starting vertex more than one time, remaining vertices, so those are internal vertices, are visited only one time. So it is forming, these three are forming valid Hamiltonian cycle. So let us draw the state space tree. So from starting point vertex A and possibilities are, okay, take down the connecting vertices to A. Okay, so these are the connecting vertices to A. So the possible vertices, okay, from A to B and B to, we can travel, if we travel B to F, from F to E, so F to E, E to D, from D to A, so this is a valid cycle, Hamiltonian cycle. So another possibility is, so if we take A2, so also we have, so this is not EFs, we are not having, okay, here we are noting A to E, so this is F. Okay, so this is F. If we take from A to F, so we can travel from F to B. So from B, if we travel to E, from E to D, from D to A, this is also a valid cycle, Hamiltonian cycle. And the another one is from D, so if we travel A to D, from D onwards to E, and E to F, from F to B, F to A, this is also a valid Hamiltonian cycle. So we are represented the only valid Hamiltonian cycles. So we can also represent the not forming or invalid Hamiltonian cycles. So we can know the betterly which one are forming, okay, Hamiltonian cycle. So from A to B, if we take to E, okay, E is connected to B. So from B, if we take to F, so we take the F node, and from F, if we form to A, okay, so here this intermediate vertices, so what is here B? B is also touched more than one time, so intermediate vertices only visited only once, so this is not going to be valid. Okay, likewise we can represent the possible cycles, okay, but that must be considering the Hamiltonian, okay, Hamiltonian cycle forming rules, okay, so those must be initial vertex can, okay, visited more than one time. Okay, more than one time. So intermediate vertices only visited, okay, only one time. So that must be one time. Okay, initial vertex more than one time. So these are the rules must be satisfied to form the Hamiltonian cycles. So thank you all.